If you're looking for how to deactivate your Calendly account, you've got two options depending on what you actually need. In this video, I'll show you the quick temporary method if you just want to step away for a while, and I'll also show you the permanent deletion method if you want to fully remove your account. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Let's get into it. First, if you only want to stop using Calendly temporarily, the easiest thing to do is simply log out of your account. This does not delete anything. Your scheduling links, your history, and your settings will stay saved exactly as they are, so you can come back later and pick up right where you left off. To do that, open your Calendly dashboard. Once you're signed in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile icon or avatar. A drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, scroll to the bottom and select Logout. That's it. You're now signed out and your account remains active for future use. Now, if you want a permanent solution and you're sure you want to fully deactivate Calendly, you'll need to delete the account. This is the important part to pay attention to because deleting your account is permanent. It removes your scheduling links, event history, and your account configurations, so only continue if you're completely certain. To begin, log into your Calendly account using a web browser. Once you're inside, click your profile icon in the top right corner again. From the menu, select Account and then click Account Settings. This will take you into the account management area where your personal profile and settings are stored. Next, on the profile page, scroll all the way down to the very bottom. You should see an option that says Delete Account. Click that option to start the deactivation process. Calendly will then ask you to verify your identity, so check your registered email inbox for a verification code. Enter that code exactly as shown. After that, Calendly will usually ask you to select a reason for leaving. Choose the option that best matches your situation. Once that's done, click Delete to confirm. After you confirm, your account will be permanently removed. If you're not fully sure yet, remember that logging out is the safer temporary choice. But if you're ready to delete everything, the account settings method is the one you want. And that's how to deactivate a Calendly account, whether you want a temporary sign out or a permanent deletion. If this video saved you time, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.